we hear a lot about omega-3 supplements. Is that something that is also protective for the skin?
I mean, to the best of my knowledge, I don't think it has any, reliable benefits for the skin. I feel like there are benefits to omega-3s, for maybe cardiovascular health and lowering cholesterol, which is thankfully outside my field. But I don't necessarily see it as any negative for skin quality. I just am not aware of any good study showing that it helps the skin itself. So I never tell people to necessarily stop it. The one area where people can get into trouble with those is that they can definitely make people bleed. It can thin your blood. And to me, it's not as reliable as something like aspirin, where most people on it will get bleedy. It's unpredictable. And some people get much more bleeding than others on it. And so if we're doing procedures on them, we will always have people stop those at least 10 days before, because I've seen some very impressive bleeding with patients on those alone.
And just to piggyback on the idea of what you can do for your skin, both topically and orally, there are certain oral things that are in studies, like niacinamide and so forth, looking into whether it can help to promote better skin health. For melasma, tranexamic acid is also available in the oral tablet form, which in Asia is actually very commonly used, that can help to suppress the melanocyte production of melanin and therefore help with pigmentation disorders. In dermatology, there's a lot of research being done. Obviously, there's a lot of advances as we speak. For example, for hair, if someone's trying to focus on hair growth, you have your topical minoxidil, you have oral minoxidil, there's finasteride. But as Dr. Friedmann said, there's pros and cons, there's risks and benefits to this. And we're also looking into different ways of drug delivery, of how we can get the molecules into the skin, so such as through microneedling or laser-assisted drug delivery as well. And this remains very hot topics because the research is evolving, and there's a lot of data that we see every year that comes out.